Hey guys, magtanom ko og sunflower. Saan mo ni? Give a light. Okay. Sunflower seed. So it's raining here. And then the soil is too wet. So I'm pretty sure this will grow up so fast. Okay. So I'm gonna plant this one. It's raining. This is the right time to plant, actually, because it's raining. It's raining. Oh my god, what happened to my shoes? This there's a stick in my shoes. So later on, like, I'm gonna plant flowers here in this area. Why I put so many seeds? Because like to make it sure that like example, I'm gonna put in the soil like 5 pieces of seeds. So example, all the seeds will not grow. So hopefully that there's one healthy seeds that it will grow. So that's why I make more. Okay. And of course, when it started to grow, example, all the seeds are healthy, and then it will grow all like I put 6, 5 more or less. So, and then I took I took some of the the sunflower. Okay, and then I'm gonna transfer it in a pot, or I'm gonna transfer it in some other area here. So this area here, I'm gonna put flowers. Okay, because I don't have like a wide area to plant vegetables, so that's why I'm using the other one instead of flowers, everything. So like I'm gonna plant like flowers also, and I mean vegetables. Okay, so it's raining here. As you can see, I'm getting wet. Huh? See, it's raining. I don't know if you can see the rain clear, but really, yeah, I enjoy. Like a bit cold. It's a bit cold, and I cannot continue like making my like fins for my chicken soon, because it's really rainy and it's dangerous for me to use the hammer. Okay, and of course I need to buy some materials for that again. Because it's not enough. Kasi it's not enough. So again, negro siya ng Pinay here. And I enjoy planting this under the rain. Kawas. So, hugaw na kayo kung sapatos. As in, baga na kislapok. So, see you later. Okay. So, I planted sunflower seed. So, after few days, I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay? Negro siya ng Pinay here. Please subscribe and, like and share. Thank you. God bless us all.